Okay, let's look at our fifth problem here, factor by grouping. It's a little bit misleading, but we'll go with it. So we got 4x squared minus 12x plus 36x minus 108. The reason why I said it's a little bit misleading is it says factor by grouping, but actually I will factor out GCF first, our greatest common factor, because I see that they're all divisible by 4, so I can factor a 4 out. And that gives us x squared there minus 12 divided by 4 is 3 with an x, plus 36 divided by 4 is 9 with an x, minus 27, I guess. And now we'll use factoring by grouping. Now, even if it didn't tell us the fact it has 4 or more terms, that's what tells you use factoring by grouping. And we're going to group the first 2 terms together, and we'll group the last 2 terms together. Now, the 4 just carries down, doesn't change any. We look at only the first group, the first 2 terms, and we ask ourselves what's the GCF of those, which is x, and that leaves us x minus 3. And then looking at our second group, the last 2 terms, we ask ourselves what the GCF of that is, and that's 9, which also leaves us x minus 3, which is good. Our goal was to get this parentheses equal to this parentheses, which they are. Now the 4 just carries down out in front. Since they both have an x minus 3, I'll factor that out. And then, to see what's left, you can think of it as crossing these 2 out. Now what isn't crossed out then goes what's in your second set of parentheses. So this becomes x plus 9. Now these may be flipped around. You can have the x plus 9 first and the x minus 3 second. But let's see which one matches. Okay, 4 out in front, x minus 3, x plus 9. Looks like C would be our answer.